If your dance skirt looks a bit boring, it's probably not the skirt itself. Because this skirt and this skirt are basically the same base. I just changed a few small details and it completely transformed the look. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly, and in this video I'll share with you 3 simple fixes to make your skirt look more interesting and more professional. And don't worry, these are mostly beginner friendly even if you're just starting out. Let's get started. The first thing that makes a huge difference is ruffles. And the type of ruffle I love using is called a flounce. It's just a circle shape cut from fabric, and when you open it up, you get these soft, beautiful waves. No gathering needed, so it's actually very beginner friendly. I've used this type of ruffles in so many of my skirts. For example, I took this plain mermaid skirt and added ruffles just along the slit. And instantly, it adds more movement and makes the skirt feel more dynamic. Another option is adding ruffles to frame your godets. When you sew the godet in, you simply sandwich the ruffle between the skirt and godet panels and stitch everything together. It's a small detail, but it adds so much volume and drama. Or you can go all out and add ruffles throughout the skirt. This one might look complicated, but it's actually built on a very simple base. At the core, it's just an A-line skirt. By slicing the pattern and inserting flounces, you can create layers of ruffles like this. And that's what gives you that dynamic wow effect. If you want to try any of these, I've linked the tutorials down below. The next thing that can instantly upgrade your skirt is this. Cutouts are such a fun way to make your skirt look more unique and designer. For example, these small cutouts are actually very easy to make. First, draw the cutout shape you like onto a piece of interfacing and sew it onto your fabric. I recommend starting with smaller shapes if you're new. Then cut out the shape, flip the interfacing inside, and stitch it down. And just like that, you get clean, cute cutouts. You can try this on the skirt you already have. But if you want to take it a step further, try adding side cutouts. Again, these are quite simple to make, but they instantly make a plain skirt feel more stylish and interesting. Or you can go even further and add cutouts in more places: front, sides, and back. It might look a bit revealing at first, but it's actually designed to be very wearable. The skirt is high-waisted and the cutouts are placed carefully so your lower belly stays covered and your underwear won't show. The key is placement. Where you put the cutouts makes all the difference. So cutouts are a really fun way to add personality and elevate your skirt design. Again, you can find tutorials below if you want to try these cutout designs. And finally, here's one more thing you can do to take your skirt to the next level. Plain skirts are versatile, but if you want your skirt to really stand out, layering textures makes a huge difference. And the key here is not just adding one thing, but mixing a few different elements. For example, this skirt is made with velvet, and I layered it with appliqués, straps, and rhinestones in similar shades and a little different shades. And you can see how all these textures together add depth and richness to the overall look. You can also experiment with things like bees, mirror pieces, lace-up details, or even use fabrics like shiny lycra or stretch lace. There are so many options and you can mix and match depending on what inspires you. Even adding just a couple of these elements can instantly make your skirt look more sophisticated and three-dimensional. If you're not sure where to start, I recommend placing embellishments around the waistband or along key features like slits, seams, or cutouts if you have. Outlining these areas is an easy way to make your design look more intentional and polished. And if you want to learn how to design and make a high-waisted mermaid skirt like this from start to finish, I'll be teaching it inside my brand new course, where you create a beautifully shaped silhouette made to your measurements so it fits your curves perfectly. You can add cutouts and slits or keep it simple. It's completely customizable. The course is launching next week, so make sure you're on the wait list so you don't miss it. You'll find the link below. I hope you're now ready to turn your skirt from plain to something truly eye-catching. And if you want to add even more sparkles, watch this video next, where I show you step-by-step how to rhinestone belly dance costumes. And in my next video, I'll take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how I design and decorate a skirt like this one. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!